subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has launched its new smartphone under Reno series in Japan called Oppo Reno5A with 5G support. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo Reno5A features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate, and it has a tall 90% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset, paired with Adreno 620 GPU, and the smartphone packs with 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Oppo Reno5A supports a quad camera setup on the rear that houses a 64MP main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 190° field of view plus 2MP macro and 2MP monochrome sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of recording 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports electronic image stabilization for anti-shake video recording. For selfies, it has an 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by 4000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with ColorOS 11 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162 by 74.6 by 8.2 mm, and it weighs around 182 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. Unfortunately, the company haven't revealed the pricing details of the phone at the moment, but it is expected to price around 45,000 Japanese yen. And the smartphone will be soon available for purchase in the country in silver, black and ice blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Oppo Reno5A smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.